So now we open Google Chrome and type VYSOR. We go to the VYSOR download link and click. So you choose the platform Windows, Mac, Linux or Chrome. So in my case I choose Mac. Then download. You also can view the video tutorial. So now waiting for the generic link. The download in progress. So now we unzip it and I put to the desktop. After unzip it, then we double click to install. And then we click on view. It will run automatically. Installing the VYSOR APK to your phone and start initializing. So we just wait for it. You will connecting to your phone and you are done. Now you can display your phone to your desktop. So you can play around with it when you click anything on your phone. Okay, here is some of the settings. You can mute or mirror audio, device setting, record your screen, your phone screen, screenshot, and control your volume. Open device setting. We have audio resolution. Thank you for watching.